Changing your Instagram username is quick and can be done directly from the mobile app. Follow these simple steps carefully to update your handle instantly and avoid errors. Opening the Instagram applications. Once inside, go to your profile by tapping your profile picture or icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your personal profile page where all your account details are shown. Next, look for the Edit Profile button, which appears directly under your bio section. Tap on it to enter the editing menu. In this section, you will see several options like name, username, website, and bio. Focus on the username field. Tap on the username field and delete your current username carefully. Then type in your new desired username. Make sure your new name follows Instagram's rules. No spaces, only allowed characters and appropriate length. After entering the new username, Instagram will automatically check its availability. If you see a green checkmark, it means the username is available and you can use it. If it turns red, the username is already taken or not valid, so you will need to try another variation. Once you find an available username, double-check the spelling to avoid mistakes. Finally, tap Done or the checkmark icon at the top right corner of the screen to save your changes. Your Instagram username will be updated instantly across your profile, and others will see your new identity right away.